Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make crispy tender jackfruit fry. It's a simple and quick recipe. It has unique taste and flavors. Let's move to the video. In a bowl, take 2 cups of tender jackfruit pieces, cut into small pieces like this. Add half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoon chili powder, 2 teaspoon corn flour, 1 tablespoon rice powder, 1/4 cup of vinegar. Mix it well nicely. Keep marinated for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, we can fry the tender jackfruit pieces. In a pan, take 4 tablespoons oil and heat it. Then add marinated tender jackfruit pieces to it. Fry it on medium flame until it becomes light brown color. Add some curry leaves in between. When it becomes light brown color and crispy, transfer it from the pan to a bowl.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Our crispy tender jackfruit fry recipe is ready. It's a simple and quick recipe. It has unique taste and flavors.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.